Yeah, this video is a sponsored product review. This scan tool was sent to me to make this video with. It's an Autel AL539. It's not only a scan tool, it also has a multimeter in it, and it does have some other functions. It sells for $88 on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy it. Yeah, so now we're going to take it out of the box and look at it. And if you stop this, you can actually read those. And this is all the different stuff that it actually does. And here's what it comes with. It comes with this case. And here's all the cables and the cables for the multimeter part. And this disc has some updates and a few things on it. Yeah, and here's the owner's manual. Yeah, so let's go hook it up and see what it does. And this also has a rechargeable battery that comes built into it for the multimeter part. Yeah, it does volts DC, volts AC. There's a continuity test, there's a diode test, and there's amps too. And it's also got some starter test. And it's got a charging test on it. You can also hook this up to a printer and print the data. And that's to see if the monitors have run. I'll have to go hook it up to a vehicle now. And to charge the battery in this, anytime you hook it to the DLC, it's charging the battery, or you hook it to the USB cable to a computer, it charges the battery in it. Yeah, here's a test that I like to do to see if the monitors have run. Yeah, in the state of California, before you have the emissions test done, it's best to make sure all the monitors have run, or you can't have the test done. Yeah, and this is hooked to a 2001 Honda Prelude. Because these scan tools only work on 96 and newer cars. Yes, it looks like all the monitors run. And that's that's a test that you want to be able to get to real easy with these scan tools. Now let's look to see if there's any codes. There shouldn't be any codes. Yeah, there's no codes. Let's see if there's any pending codes. Again, there's no pending codes. Yeah, and you can also do the readiness monitors this way too. Oh, and this vehicle's not supported on that. That just shows you the vehicle information. Yeah, and this is going to be the data, but we need to start it up with those. Yeah, and you can also set it to where you're only looking at certain things so it responds faster. Yeah, and with this button you can get to the monitors real fast and easy. And I guess these two are not supported on this vehicle. Let's see if we can get out of here. Yeah, and this is some charging test, and this is only hooked to the DLC. Yeah, and it says it's normal. Yeah, and this is some starter test right here. Whoops. Yeah, it says it's normal too. Yeah, and you can also look up different DLC or different trouble codes. Yeah, let me unhook it and then we'll try the multimeter out. And to use the multimeter, you have to unhook it from the DLC first. And here's the continuity test. Most of these meters just beep when you touch the two terminals together. And that's what that does. The diode test is another good one, but I don't actually have any diodes here to test. So we'll just test the volts. And so I'm just testing the battery voltage here. I don't know if you can even see that. Yeah, I definitely like this scan tool. It's got a lot of features and it doesn't cost a lot of money.